everyone. Today we are tackling a topic that weighs heavily on the minds of many ambitious individuals: the rush to become a millionaire by a certain age. It's a pervasive pressure, intensified by stories of young millionaires and overnight successes. But here's a refreshing reality check. Relax. You don't need to be a millionaire by 30 or even 40. Join us as we explore why reaching this financial milestone on a precious timeline is necessary for a fulfilling and prosperous life. We'll dive into real-life stories, debunk myths, and offer a healthier perspective on wealth and timing. Let's redefine success on our own terms and high nine. The myth of early success. The pervasive narrative that one must achieve significant financial success early in life is a modern-day myth that can lead to undue stress and unrealistic expectations. This myth is often fueled by media portrayals of young entrepreneurs and tech prodigies who hit the millionaire or even billionaire mark before they turn 30. However, what often goes unreported are the unique circumstances, extensive networks, and sometimes sheer luck that contribute to such early successes. It's crucial to understand that these stories are the exception, not the norm. Consider the journey of Mike, a passionate entrepreneur who started his tech company in his early 20s. Like many, Mike was inspired by stories of young tech giants and aimed to replicate their success. He worked tirelessly, pouring his energy and resources into his startup. However, despite his dedication and hard work, the explosive growth he dreamed of didn't materialize in his 20s. Instead, Mike found himself navigating through a series of small successes and setbacks, learning from each experience and gradually building a stable business that provided a comfortable living. Mike's story is far more common than the sensational tales that often capture the public's imagination. His experience underscores the reality that success is not just about financial accumulation, but also about personal growth, resilience, and persistence. Mike's journey teaches us that real success is multifaceted, and that professional growth and learning can be just as valuable as financial gains. This reality check is vital because the pressure to achieve early financial success can lead individuals to make hasty, risky decisions that jeopardize their long-term financial health. The myth of early success does account for the individual paths and diverse timelines that characterize most professional journeys. Each person's career and financial trajectory are influenced by a unique combination of skills, interests, circumstances, and yes, timing, which cannot be rushed. Moreover, the fixation on achieving early wealth often overlooks the importance of laying a solid foundation through education, industry experience, and network building. These elements are crucial for long-term success and often require time to develop fully. Instead of rushing the process in pursuit of immediate results, embracing a slower, more steady approach to career and wealth building can lead to more sustainable success and satisfaction. In debunking the myth of early success, it's important to encourage a balanced view that celebrates steady progress, resilience, and the personal satisfaction derived from overcoming challenges and gradually achieving one's goals. This perspective not only promotes healthier financial and career planning, but also supports a more fulfilling and holistic approach to personal development and success. If you are enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down your thoughts. If you want to explore money making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. Building wealth responsibly. In the quest for financial prosperity, the journey matters as much as the destination. Building wealth responsibly is about adopting sustainable practices that not only increase your financial assets over time, but also ensure that you're well prepared for any economic downturns or personal financial demands. This methodical approach emphasizes steady accumulation, wise investment, and most critically, risk management. It's the story of Anna, a diligent professional who understood the value of saving early in her career. rather than chasing quick gains through high-risk investments or lavish spending spurred by each raise or bonus, and focused on steadily building her financial portfolio. She opted for a diversified investment strategy, putting her funds into a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate, and she contributed regularly to her retirement accounts, taking full advantage of employment management programs. Anna's financial discipline extended beyond investing. She also maintained a robust emergency fund, ensuring she had at least 6 months' worth of living expenses saved. This buffer protected her from the need to explore investments prematurely, especially during market lows, thereby avoiding potential losses that could derail her long-term financial plans. Her approach paid dividends when an unexpected healthcare crisis hit. Because of her solid financial foundation, Anna could cover medical expenses without incurring debt, underscoring the importance of preparing for unforeseen events. Moreover, during economic downturns, while others panicked, Anna remained secure in the knowledge that her diversified investments could weather the storm. Over the years, her portfolio grew, not through meteoric rises, but through consistent, disciplined accumulation and reinvestment. Anna's story exemplifies the principles of building wealth responsibly by illustrating 3 key practices: diversification, regular saving and investing, and maintaining an emergency fund. Diversification protected her from significant losses in any single investment or market sector. Regular contributions to savings and investments capitalized on the power of compound interest, slowly but surely growing her wealth, and her emergency fund provided a financial safety net, preventing the need to liquidate investments at inopportune times. This holistic approach to financial planning isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's about creating a stable financial environment where wealth can grow safely and sustainably. It teaches us that responsible wealth building is more akin to running a marathon than sprinting a race. It requires patience, foresight, and an understanding that financial security and wealth are built one careful step at a time. For anyone looking to achieve long-term financial success, Anna's methodical and balanced approach offers a blueprint for not just surviving but thriving financially, irrespective of what economic challenges may come. Redefining success. In the modern narrative of success, where financial metrics often dominate, redefining success to encompass personal fulfillment, happiness, and impact is both revolutionary and vital. This expanded definition moves beyond the confines of monetary accumulation to include the richness of life experiences, the joy of passion's pursuit, and the satisfaction of contributing to the greater good. Sarah's story exemplifies this broader conception of success beautifully. As a driven individual early in her career, Sarah initially equated success strictly with financial gain. However, her journey took a transformative turn when she began volunteering at a local non-profit organization. The work resonated deeply with her values and passion for social change, aiding her to pivot her career towards non-profit management, despite the potential for lower salary than her corporate prospects might offer. This decision, while perplexing to some of her peers, brought Sarah a profound sense of fulfillment and purpose. Her work involved spearheading projects that directly benefited underserved communities, which provided her with a sense of impact that money could not buy. Over time, Sarah's influence grew, and her reputation as a leader in the non-profit sector brought her respect and opportunities to speak on large platforms about social change, further amplifying her impact. Sarah's redefinition of success shifted the conventional mold that wealth is measured solely by one's financial access. Instead, her story illustrates that success is deeply personal and dynamically shaped by individual values and passions. It underscores the idea that true richness comes from how one chooses to make a difference in the world, and the personal satisfaction derives from living in alignment with one's beliefs. Moreover, Sarah's journey highlights the importance of flexibility in career paths. It shows that being open to change and listening to one's inner callings can lead to fulfilling and meaningful life work, which enriches not just the individual but also the community at large. This approach to defining success not only enhances personal well-being but also encourages a more compassionate and inclusive view of how it contributes to a society. Embracing this holistic view of success can inspire others to consider not just how much they earn, but how they can use their careers to bring about positive change. It invites a shift from striving for mere wealth to achieving a balanced life rich with purpose and passion. Sarah's example serves as a powerful reminder that redefining success to include making a significant positive impact on the world can lead to a deeply satisfying and genuinely successful life. We've explored the journeys of Mike, Anna, and Sarah, each illustrating that the race to become a millionaire by a certain age is not the ultimate or only path to success. Wealth can be built and enjoyed at any stage of life, and success can be measured in myriad fulfilling ways. So, take a breath and focus on setting personal and financial goals that reflect your values, pace, and life's vision. Remember, a truly rich life is built on a foundation of purpose, passion, and well-being. Thank you for joining us today. Here's to finding and defining your own version of success. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.